Hi, I'm the Friendly Scoutmaster. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the MSR Pocket Rocket stove. This is the things you'll need to use your MSR Pocket Rocket canister stove. It comes in this plastic container. You'll need some isobutane fuel, not propane, right? And a lighter. In this case, I'll just use a big barbecue lighter. I'll never take this backpacking, but all we need is an ignition source, and the lighter will provide that for us today. So the stove itself comes in this container. Okay, put the container to the side. And to use it, all you gotta do is pull these little legs out. Okay, this little triangular thing snaps off. That's actually a small windscreen, so if the wind's blowing hard, you may not have much flame on this side, for example, but you would still have flame on those two sides. It's very important that this black O-ring is present and the little black one on the inside. If those two are not there, don't use the stove, because you'll have a gas leak and then your fire will be much larger than intended. This is your on-off valve. Make sure it's clockwise or all the way turned off before you light it. This is essentially like the Bunsen burner you may have used in chemistry class. So to use it, we'll just turn that upside down. You don't want to get dirt in there. You just pop the cap off the propane can. The cap is nice just to keep dirt out of this. If you lose it, I wouldn't worry about too much about it, but it's nice to keep dirt out of the gas orifice right there. So to use it, all you gotta do is screw the propane canister onto the stove. You may have heard a little gas come out. That's just because I wasn't screwing it on there fast enough. Don't worry about that. We'll let the gas dissipate. Okay. You want to take your lighter, and all you gotta do is turn on the gas, and it will go from just a barely on to just a full-on flame. To turn it off, you just simply turn the gas off, and then you would let the burner cool, and then you could take it off the propane bottle and put everything back inside the canister. And that is the MSR Pocket Rocket. It's very lightweight. I believe it weighs about 3 ounces. If you're backpacking, like on a thru hike, there are smaller versions, not necessarily from MSR, but there are smaller stoves that do the exact same thing, except they only weigh 1 ounce. And those are great for just heating up a cup of water for coffee or for dehydrated food. This is a much more powerful stove, and it's better for heating larger pots of water, so for larger groups. But that's the MSR Pocket Rocket. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you found any value at all in this video, please hit the like button. As always, thank you for watching and subscribing to this channel.